Brawl Stars is full of rewards. Coins, power points, credits, bling. The options are endless. But here's the catch. Most players aren't progressing. Not because they're not playing, but because they're playing the wrong way. A new brawler drops, they grind, upgrade, and just as they hit level 11, another one drops. The cycle resets. Some players push the 3000 trophy box. Others spend hours climbing rank only to tilt back down. And for many, it feels normal. But is it actually efficient? Over the past week, I tracked every major grind method in Brawl Stars. Brawl Pass, Mega Pig, Inbox Rewards, Pro Pass, Trophy Boxes, Mastery, and measured each one by a single metric. ROI, return on investment. Some of the results made sense, but some didn't. Take a singular star drop. Here are the probabilities of everything that one can possibly get. At the lowest rarity, rare, you can find small rewards like coins and power points. Go up, and you can find that rewards start to increase. At the largest rarity, legendary, you can get up to legendary brawlers and hypercharges. But the percentage chance of getting a rare star drop is 25 times higher than getting a legendary one. To precisely calculate the value of a singular star drop, the rewards can be separated into two categories. Resources, with help of progression, include coins, power points, credits, new brawlers, and more. This table accurately shows the conversion rates of each resource in terms of coins. Meanwhile, cosmetics include skins, pins, sprays, and also more. This table accurately shows the conversion rates of each cosmetic in terms of bling. Now, we need to find the value of each individual star drop. Here's a table I made for the value of a rare star drop. It lists the item, amount, and probability of one. To get the expected value, which means the average value over infinitely many trials, I multiplied the conversion rate by the amount and the probability. Well, I just had to repeat this whole table 4 more times.
Many hours later.
Hey guys, it's 2 in the morning right now. I finished the tables for the other 4, but I can't edit this right now. I'm gonna go to sleep. See y'all tomorrow.
1 eternity later.
Low-key, it's been a while, but I spent some time putting all this data in a graph for you guys to easily visualize. On the x-axis is the value of each star drop in coins, and on the y-axis is the value of each star drop in bling. Each rare star drop nets an average of 44 coins and 0.5 bling, and each super rare star drop nets an average of 92 coins and 24 bling. Take it up a notch to epic drops, and you can start to see the value increase exponentially to 182 coins and 270 bling. Move even further up to mythic star drops, you can see how its value towers over the others, with an average value of 1,541 coins and 348 power points. But biggest of all, legendary star drops value dwarfs every other rarity. It is so high that the rare and super rare points are almost touching each other on the graph. At an expected value of 3,500 coins and almost 2,000 bling, which is 4,300 times larger than the bling value from a rare star drop, this final boss will grant you a massive payday if you're lucky enough to get it. But since the probability of getting one is so rare, this needs to be factored into the final value of the star drop. Taking the probabilities of each star drop and multiplying them by their expected value will finally yield the value of one singular star drop. 223 coins and 104 bling. With that out of the way, let's start analyzing and rapid firing the worth of every single reward method. If your club's active and coordinated, Mega Pig is straight up busted. It only takes about 15 games to cash in like 20 star drops, which is essentially a gold mine. That averages to about 300 coins and 140 bling per game. But here's the catch. Bad club, inactive players, dead chat, you'll be lucky to get 5 drops. So before you do it, ask yourself, is your club carrying you, or are you carrying your club? Because if it's the latter, the grind turns from a cash cow to a complete time waster. Most players sleep on this, but the Brawl Pass might actually be one of the best value grinds in the game, if you time it right. Don't start grinding on day 1. Wait until the middle of the season. That way, your daily and weekly quests stack up. Now imagine this. You're clearing 4 quests per game, you're winning about half, and you're grinding like your sanity depends on it. You'll need to play just over 200 games to max out the pass. The reward? A haul worth nearly 37,000 coins and 2,500 bling. Break that down. That's around 181 coins and 12 bling per game. Not bad at all.
Nice.
Trophy boxes. Now this one's tricky. If you're a 50-50 player, say like you're the type of person to win a game and then lose a game and then win and then lose, you're basically running on a treadmill. No progress, no boxes. But if you're low-key subscribed to Solarus and win most of your matches, then it's a completely different story. Pushing for the Mega or Mega Trophy box becomes worth it. Just don't get baited into pushing for the Ultra box. the extra rewards aren't worth a 2,000 trophy climb. Trust me, your mental health will thank you. Let's move on to the Pro Pass. It gives 200 XP per rank up and 25 XP per win. Let's say the average player pushes 2 ranks per season to reset to the status quo, like a Masters 1 player drops a Mythic 1 after season reset and then just repushes to Masters 1. That would allow 6 tiers of rewards per season, or 24 tiers for 4 seasons. This means that you would need around 600 ranked wins to complete the pass. I'm not even gonna do the math here. The rates are absolutely horrid. So unless you're a ranked fanatic, don't spend your time here. After breaking it all down, here's the truth. Not all grinding is created equal. If you're playing casually, most rewards feel random. But when you zoom out, there's a clear pattern of what works and what doesn't. Here's a takeaway. If you want to progress fast, don't just play more, play smarter. Prioritize the Mega Pig if you got a solid club. Time your Brawl Pass grind right. Push your brawlers a bit over 1,000 trophies. And maybe, just maybe, hope luck is on your side.
I told you guys the next one was legendary. I told you.